Hi, Jeff Whyte from Whyte's. With our van, we bought it brand new in 2011. I've just ordered a brand new one coming in a couple of weeks' time. It's a one owner, been well maintained. It will be sold with the wrap coming off, but it's a fully customised van, all full service history. It's got the bench seat, 6-speed turbo diesel, air seat, cruise control, Bluetooth, all that sort of thing. And also it's been customised inside and fully lined with racking, etc., and all the rest of it. But it's in fabulous condition, and it's just done 300,000 k's now, but it's 10 years old, and it's the extra long one. But, it's actually a 316. It had a slightly bigger turbo on the options when we bought it. So it will come with the wrap off, so the paint underneath it will be as new. So it's been wrapped all its life. Fabulous van. Yeah, and we're just going to move it on for a new one coming up. Thank you.